Hey guys, so it is August 30th, 2023, and here I am drinking my Amare Happy Juice again. As you'll notice, I don't have all my rings on. I'm not really sure what happened there, but I guess my fingers got smaller or something because my other rings don't seem to fit me anymore. So I'm not wearing them. I'm just wearing one ring on each ring finger now because that's all that fits anymore. So I'm hoping as I put a little bit more weight on, maybe my fingers will get a little bit bigger and they'll fit again. But I don't know, so we'll see. Anyway, here I am drinking my Amare Happy Juice again. Finally. I was stuck in the hospital there for about 2.5 weeks, which was rather unfortunate. But I'm okay now. I'm doing a lot better. And I put on a bit of weight, so I'm a lot healthier now. They were just concerned because I guess I lost a little bit too much weight. But I'm all good now. So I'm happy to be doing my Amare Happy Juice updates again. And once again, this stuff gives me a whole bunch of motivation, a whole bunch of determination. It makes me feel happier. It makes me feel level and stable. And overall, it just makes me feel wonderful. And it helps eliminate any anhedonia that I have from any medications that I've been on in the past or any that I'm on now. So it's really great stuff. It's for balancing out the serotonin and dopamine in your gut because 90% of the serotonin in your body is produced in your gut and 70% of the dopamine in your body is also produced in your gut. So if you balance out the serotonin and dopamine in your gut, you're also going to balance it out in your brain, which is really great for anybody who's struggling with any kind of mental health problem. As you'll also notice, I don't have any makeup on today, and I do have a couple blemishes on my face. That's just from being in the hospital and having to eat hospital food. But I am using Paula's Choice Liquid Exfoliant again, and I'm drinking the Amare Happy Juice again, so that should clear away all my acne. But overall, I'm doing great right now, and I am going to be starting doing some virtual angel card readings again here soon, so I'm pretty pumped for that.